Hi there, how are you? It is me, teacher European Adam. It is once again and our program of learning the Somali language. We have finished the alphabet in our first lesson. lesson we have learned the alphabet, right? Today we shall continue our course outline, and the second chapter, let's call it the Somali Pronunciation Guide. This is very important sector. If you get this chapter, you have finished two parts of the Somali language. That's uh, reading and writing. You can easily read the Somali language and easily write also if you get this chapter. It is like the IPA. It shows you how to read the Somali language. For example, you have visited a given Somali web page and you want to know the news, right? Also, you're interested to um, follow the rules of the Somali language, right? So simply, there is a text, the main headline, for example, like this: Shirweynaha Bahda Cadaaladda Soomaaliyeed oo maalintii labaad ka socda Muqdisho. Shirweynaha Bahda Cadaaladda Soomaaliyeed oo maalintii labaad ka socda Muqdisho. Wasiirka Arrimaha Dibadda Soomaaliya oo la kulmay dhigiisa Pakistan. The Judiciary Summit of Somalia is taking place in Mogadishu. The Judiciary Summit taking place in Mogadishu. And the Somali foreign minister has met with his Pakistan counterpart. See, so I think it may matter, to read the Somali language as the sitting sounds. So the words of the Somali language aren't read like that of the English or any other IPA applied language, you see. So the Somali words contain syllab, syllables, syllables. Here we have Shirwena, the summit, the summit of the Somali judiciary is taking place in Mogadishu. Right now. Here we have Shirwena, one syllable, way another syllable, na another syllable, ha another syllable. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 syllables. So how can you find the syllables of the Somali language? So we have very easy trick, right? We have seen 21 consonants, 5 short vowels and 5 long vowels. So easily please place short or long vowel before and after each consonant. Simple, right? Simple. We put short or long vowel before and after each consonant. So you see, we have seen sha, fa, and kha. These 3 letters are comprise 2 letters, right? S and H, K and H, D and H, right? So 2 letters now stand as a letter only. But in the future, we might see a Somali word that has 2 different articles at the center of a word. There are 2 other different letters following themselves. So here we have Shirwene, R, and W follow themselves here. So you close the first one, and the next vowel uh, shall depend the following vowel. You see? So please look at my mouth. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. That's how it can be pronounced. My Somali is very much, it's 91%. So I think you will get the exact pronunciation. Right now I have placed short vowel after consonant B. Consonant B, 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 or otherwise ba. You see, I said ba, be, bi, bo, bu. These are the contents of the Somali words. It's full of these things. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Right now, I make another 3. I add a long vowel after consonant B. Ba, be, po, pu. You see, likewise, I place the short and long vowel before b, p, up, ep, ip, op, up, up, ep, ip, op, and oop. These are the contents of the Somali words. So if you see such syllables, you can say like that on. Likewise, we shall do in the next lessons. T, ja, ha, da, ra. All of these words shall have such syllables. We shall see them. So we have said if you see, a given Somali word may start and short or long vowel, or otherwise you can say consonant. Okay, so if a given Somali word starts is um, short vowel, for example, the first short vowel shall stand as a in an particular syllable, syllable. For example, ayan, ayama, uwat. Ayan is a female name, and ayama, the uwat, children. You see, so please take care. This um, I have noted some very important notes here, so let me read you. The letter B may start at the beginning of a given Somali word, may come at the center of a given syllable of Somali word, and also at the end. So we have given some examples. Right now we shall add B, ba, follow it by a. The example, bayan. Simply, you don't bother yourself when you say this. You simply put the upper lip on the lower lip. Look, pa, pe, pi, po, pu, payan, pi, pa, follow it by a. Payan, for example, statement, and pa, follow it by a. Peri, tomorrow. um, followed by e pleasant, beautiful, bogaadin, encouragement, um, burburin, in wax la burburiyo ayadana burburin, beel, binanka, so please, I will add some keynotes to the video. Today we told it there. Until next time, goodbye.